So opening this machine according to these instructions might be a little tricky. So the first thing that you're told to do is actually to turn this switch on, which I have already done. And then the next thing that you do is take off the foot cover and then proceed to press down on the center and open up the front, and then do the same thing and open up the back. And then there is this mechanism that holds everything in place. And then when you're ready to close this up, you just do the reverse. Let that down, press down and on that end, and press down on this end, put the cover back on, and you're done.
I just had ankle surgery on my left ankle, so I thought this might be a good idea. It gets warm, sometimes a little bit too hot. This is about all the bubbles you get. Not so bad. I expect a little bit more, but I guess you don't need the water to bubble out. Easy to collapse and uncollapse, so that's a nice feature for storage. All in all, I'd say it's pretty good for the cost. I'm going to try it for a couple days and we'll see.
There.
Here.
Power's on.
And they come out of a common movement and of course they began both in Britain and in the United States.
Bubbles on.
With those identified as Boy Scouts back in
No
the
bubbles.
era when everyone knew
Bubbles
what
off.
a boy was or who a boy was.
Bubbles on.
And now we're talking about a very different thing.
You can hear it.
You had
No noise. Or no bubbles, rather.
No bubbles. 4 months, literally. I'm so sad. I only used it 4 times. And this is what happens. No bubbles. You kidding me?
Too hot.